Exhausted. You write a piece of marketing copy, manually test 5 variations, check the open rates, and realize you still need to rewrite the entire document. Tweak, test, fail, repeat. The physical effort required to manually hunt for a minor performance breakthrough is a heavy bottleneck. To solve this, Andrej Kripathi designed the auto research loop. He built this script to iteratively test and improve his machine learning models automatically while he slept. This loop operates on any text that can be scored numerically. It does not require machine learning expertise. If you can define a successful outcome with a number, you can use this engine to optimize ad copy, email sequences, or video scripts. By setting up a standard coding agent, like Claude Code or Cursor, you can configure an autonomous workspace in 5 minutes. Claude Code and Cursor are AI-powered code editors that can read, write, and execute files directly on your machine. Once configured, an agent will run 100 independent experiments on your writing overnight. Finding the best possible version of your work is no longer a human time bottleneck. It is a computational background process. Step 1 is establishing your digital workspace in an AI-enabled IDE. An IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. The system relies on 3 distinct files. First, the target file. This is your draft, the only file the agent can edit. Second, the eval file, a strict grading rubric the agent cannot modify. Third, the instruction file, commanding the agent's behavior. To set this up, you clone the base repository and insert your specific target file into the folder. A repository is a digital storage location where all the files and historical versions of a project's code are kept. Separating the human rules from the machine's playground creates a bounded environment. The AI has the freedom to experiment, but no ability to manipulate the results. Next, you must design the eval file. This is the one phase of the operation that requires intense human intellectual effort. Every evaluation criterion must be framed as a strict binary pass or fail question, yes or no. If you ask the agent to grade writing on a sliding scale or ask a subjective question like, is the text compelling, the system fails. The AI will optimize for high scores by satisfying the math while producing unreadable text. There is a volume constraint as well. You should provide between 3 and 6 specific questions. Dropping below 3 questions creates exploitable loopholes. Exceeding 6 causes the AI to gain the checklist rather than improve the content. Once the loop is running, do not edit the evaluation file. Changing the rules mid-process renders all previous experiment data meaningless. Precision in these human constraints is what guarantees the quality of the machine's final output. With the rules locked, you issue a single command to the AI agent and step away. The agent evaluates your text to generate a baseline score. Then the cycle begins. The agent makes an edit and calculates a new score. If the score increases, it commits the change. If it decreases, it executes a reset, starting the next round. This ruthless filter allows the agent to iteratively discover improvements a human would overlook or tire of testing. You return the next morning after the system has run unsupervised. This log shows the mathematical outcome of a typical session. In this experiment, a draft starting at a 41% baseline climbed incrementally through autonomous refinement to reach a final score of 92%. This loop optimizes anything you can score. You can point it at Meta ad templates to enforce specific pain points and action verbs. Meta is the technology company that operates Facebook and Instagram. You can also run it on video script structures or job descriptions to strip out jargon. Tonight, select a frustrating text template. Draft 3 to 5 binary questions that define what a perfect version looks like, and start the loop. Mastering the auto research loop shifts your role. You no longer do the exhaustive testing. You simply define what perfection looks like.